It's a real-life Stranger Things. Residents in a Connecticut town say they are being driven crazy by an annoying sound 24/7, making it hard to even sleep. Allison Hall went there to find out what's going on.
People living in this Connecticut town say they're living a real-life episode of Stranger Things.
Last night it was very, very disruptive and I was unable to sleep.
So what is it that's driving the good people of West Haven batty? It's a hum, a constant 24/7 buzz that hovers over the town like a giant cloud of sound. Just listen.
When you first started hearing it, what did you think?
I honestly thought at first I was going crazy. And then once I started talking to other people, I realized that other people were hearing this sound.
As soon as I step outside, I hear it. It's that low hum.
John Carano, West Haven's Commissioner of Human Services, uses a digital sound level meter to measure the decibel levels.
Some people don't hear it at all. Some people hear it but are not bothered by it, and other people, it's excruciating to them.
Is it driving people crazy?
It drives some people crazy.
So what's the source of the hum? Residents believe it's coming from the industrial factory right behind me. I can definitely hear it. You can understand how it would be annoying to hear 24/7. Other places around the USA have experienced strange, otherworldly sounds. This mystery sound was captured on a doorbell cam in Salt Lake City. Turns out the noise was coming from intense winds blowing into a slack line like this. And this spooky sound terrified a town in British Columbia. This was heard in Finland. And this piercing, high-pitched sound was recorded in the picturesque town of Forest Grove, Oregon. Now this annoying hum, driving folks nuts.
The factory where it's thought the sound is coming from says they have taken different measures to try to quiet the sound or make it go away, but so far, no luck.